transforming garden path with white pebbles and black stones nicely. Designing a cozy backyard fire pit area with stone pathway. Constructing a unique garden path using simple cement bags. Beautiful flower garden design with unique circular pattern and rocks. Building a gorgeous indoor plant water fountain under the stairs. Creating a stunning circular garden bed around a large tree. Making a creative concrete pathway decorated with colorful roses flowers. Installing modern black concrete stepping stones with bright lights. Creating a beautiful gravel walkway with lovely flowers on sides. Making an amazing garden pathway using old recycled car tires.